loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mariah and I make DIY videos. Before we get into this video, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's get right into this video. What you will need: a lip gloss base, cosmetic glitter, cosmetic powder colorant, cosmetic fragrance oil, a syringe, empty lip gloss bottle, a bowl, and a mixing utensil. How to make it: add your lip gloss base to the mixing bowl. Now you can add your glitter. Add more as needed. Now you can add your cosmetic coloring. Time to add the fragrance. I personally wanted mine to be more pink, so I just added a little more colorant. Perfect. Now that it's to my liking, I'm going to start putting it inside of the tube. This was the hardest part for me. Time for the results. I absolutely love the way it turned out. Thank you all for watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!